One of the challenge of AI solutions is how do you show value to the business? How do you prove a return on investment? Most conversation in this space factor on saving costs by displacing people and doing automated support and things like that. Or they're a leap of faith that your sales will be able to sell 5% more and things like that. At GPTfy, we took a rather different approach. Being engineers, we wanted to be very empirical about it. So for example, I'm on this account record and I'm going to run an account 360 prompt. And when I click on this, GPTfy is going to extract data from Salesforce, apply its native security layer, and keep all the information inside Salesforce that's sensitive, send the sanitized version of data to your LLM. I think in this case, we are going against OpenAI on Azure, get an information back and display that in a few seconds here. And what we are doing is, in addition to all of that, GPTfy is timing how long it took to get that response back. It's also calculated how much content did we have to process. And once it gets a response back, it essentially looks at all the information that it had to process, how much time it took, and if someone was reading at 50 words per minute, how much time would they take? Based on that maths, it came up with this number. So GPTfy saved 824 seconds, which is roughly about 12 minutes. It would have taken somebody 12 minutes plus whatever few seconds it took for GPTfy to get that response to go through this information. And here is how this information would have looked. As you can see, this information is a lot of data, and this is the sanitized version. So you can see a formatted version of it here, and it just has a lot of case comments, a lot of opportunity information, related tasks, and related account activities. So there is a lot of information that was sent over, and that is what GPTfy is calculating all of this information on. But just showing these 824 seconds here is not enough. We actually can then also look at the GPTfy's ROI dashboard. We actually can look at GPTfy's ROI dashboard and see how much money was actually saved. So over here, you can see that we are showing in monetary terms the amount of money that was saved. And GPTfy has a setting where you can set this up based on what you think is the hourly cost to the company of people using it. And you can come up with a number. The point is, this is not a projection. This is based on real hard facts. And as a business, you can evaluate and determine if this is worth your sales and support people's time. Curious to hear what you think. Thank you so much.